So today I'm so bored and I might get in so much trouble, that I decided brother, oh my god, I'm scared. Oh, today I decided to mess with my brother's 10-fret Nikki sixx guitar with a um double 6-fret. You can see that it's a double 6. So today I'm gonna be doing something I've never done before and I'm so bored. So filming yourself makes everything better. So, oops. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm messing with this little glitch thing. I don't know what it does. I'm bored. I'm so bored. I have nothing to do except for sit here, watch the Grim Adventures of Billy and me be on the computer and mess with my brother's baby. So, I don't know. I don't even know. I don't even know what to do. Let's put it in the up glitch. Wait. Trying to figure out what it does. So, I'm on the second fret up here. So, oops. My nail caught it. Oh, the this is play bass, I guess. I don't know. Everybody in my family has some instrument they can play. My nana has the piano, my mom has the piano, and my brother has the drum. And my sister has the guitar, basically. I don't know. She's kind of good. She knows like 3 songs, but still, me. This is my only opportunity. Blackbird. So all I have left is Blackbird. That's pretty much all. Oh, does it say anything? But yeah, that's all I have left. But bass and I'm not good. Listen to this. Do you hear this? Yes. And I dared to get this, I dared myself. Ugh. They started making me sick. Alright, so, it's Wednesday, another special day. So I thought I would film myself while I'm up here alone. So that's the only it's this one Wednesday. Instead of, I already had my day, my special day, which was yesterday, where I make an appearance unknown. But I thought I would film myself up here alone with Root and with this. Which I'm gonna get in trouble if my brother sees this anymore. But he won't, so I'm not in trouble. So until next time, put the side of it to me.